Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am excited to introduce you to the first Flower Fairy kit of 2022. This is my newest kit I am launching today. You can find this kit in my Etsy shop. There will be a link below. If you're new to fairy making, I have so many fairy videos that help teach you exactly how to make a flower fairy doll. You'll find all of those on my YouTube channel. If you are a seasoned fairy maker, welcome back. I hope you get some fun ideas from these fairies, and definitely let me know which of these fairies you'd like me to do an in-depth tutorial for. All right, let me show you what's in the kit. So the kit will be available to purchase two different ways. You can either get all 3 flowers in the kit, which is my favorite. It gives you tons of options on how to decorate them. Or you can buy the individual kits for each of these flowers. So in each kit, you'll get a wooden bead, a piece of floral wire, some embroidery floss for the skin, and there are 3 different skin colors you get to pick from, and then some embroidery floss for the hair. And there are 4 different hair colors that you get to pick from. These you can choose from a drop-down menu. It only lets you pick the first doll if you get the kit with 3 dolls, so make sure you add in the notes what you'd like for the other 2 dolls if you want them different. And the 3 skin tone colors are a light, an olive, and a dark brown black. Then for the hair colors, there's a blonde, a light brown, a dark brown black, and then an auburn. And auburn is my favorite because I have 3 auburn-haired kids. You'll also get some instructions. All you do is place your smartphone over the QR code. It will open you up to a link that you click on that will take you to my YouTube channel. You can also just go directly to my YouTube channel and it will give you all of the videos you need. It breaks them down step by step in how to make your fairy doll. So for the first kit, you'll get everything you need to make a blue ranunculus flower fairy. So you'll get this beautiful blue flower. I love the variegation in this. Some embroidery floss, some glitter, and a little crystal to add to your doll. Here's a close-up of the flower. I love the different colors in this flower. It has a little bit of green in it, different shades of blue, and it just makes the cutest flower fairy skirt. I love ranunculus flowers for flower fairy skirts. And then you'll also get some thread that matches it, and this is this beautiful light blue. This is a beautiful icy blue color that looks gorgeous with the glitter. And this is the hand-blended glitter mix that comes with this. It has little tiny diamonds in it, diamond-shaped pieces of glitter. It has a lot of different sizes of glitter, so it's super sparkly. And then this is the beautiful crystal that you get with this kit. And it's an aquamarine. It's a little bit iridescent. It's gorgeous. The next kit included in this launch is this beautiful white peony. I love this flower so much. It has so many ruffly layers in it. It comes with this beautiful flower. You get a soft green thread, some iridescent glittery glitter, and a little crystal that also you can decorate your doll with. Here's a close-up of this flower. I love all of the layers you get. It's fun. You can mix it up a couple different ways. You can put the shorter petals on top so it's a little bit fluffier and more ruffly, or you can put the bigger layers on top to give you a more flowy dress. I absolutely love this flower. And then here's a close-up of that beautiful green. And you can also, if you buy the kit that comes with all 3 dolls, this green also looks really pretty with the blue flower. Here's a close-up of that glitter. You can see it's got different textures in it, very sparkly. It looks so pretty on the white skirt. And then here is a close-up of the little crystal. And this is just a clear iridescent crystal. It looks so pretty on her dress. And I just love how sparkly this is. I fell in love with adding crystals to my dolls during my birthstone series last year, so this is a fun addition to my kits. And for the last kit, we have this gorgeous red zinnia. This flower is so pretty. It has so many different shades of red in it, and it's a little bit different than anything I've used in a kit before. So you'll get the flower, the red embroidery floss, and then a champagne gold-colored glitter, and of course a little crystal that matches the thread. So here's a close-up of this flower. I love how the skirt, it flips up a little bit. I just think it's a really fun fairy skirt. It's a little bit whimsical, and you can see how those petals kind of flip up. It gives her just such a cute skirt. And once again, there are a lot of fun layers that you can play with to decorate your doll. Here is a close-up of the thread. It's this beautiful deep red. And then, of course, we have our glitter blend, and it's this beautiful champagne, almost rose-colored gold. It's so beautiful, and it has a tiny bit of silver in it also. I think it works really well as an accent with the red in the dress. And I wanted to use 3 different glitters that were kind of neutral. So if you buy the kit with all 3 dolls, you can interchange the glitter if you'd like. And here's a close-up of this crystal. This does not do it justice. It's actually a fuchsia iridescent crystal, and it is so beautiful. It's just so pretty in person. And here they are all 3 together. So you've got the clear crystal, the aqua crystal, and then this rosy fuchsia colored red. And if you pick the kit with all 3 flowers, you'll get supplies to make 3 flower fairies. So the wooden beads, the floral wire, the embroidery floss for the skin. And remember, you get to pick from the drop-down menu. If you'd like different skin tones for all 3 dolls, let me know in the notes. And also, if you want different hair colors for all 3 dolls, let me know in the notes. And then you're getting these 3 beautiful flowers, the blue ranunculus, the red zinnia, and the white peony. You're getting 3 different colors of neutral glitter that you can mix and match with all 3 of these beautiful flowers. And then you're getting a little packet that has all 3 of your sparkly little crystals in it. And of course, some embroidery floss that matches the flowers. So this is what comes in the full kit. There is a link below where I will link you directly to my Etsy shop if you're interested in purchasing a fairy kit. I have some more really fun fairy kits I'm excited to show you this year. Here are some close-ups of some of the different dolls that I made. You can see that beautiful silver glitter. And I just love this blue ranunculus. It's so pretty. So this is with the blue ranunculus flower fairy kit. And here's another way I've styled this doll. This is the olive skin tone with the dark brown black hair. So you can really customize these dolls. And you can see I use some of the smaller petals on the top, so it's a little bit rufflier on the top. Here is a close-up of the white fairy. With this one, I've given her a rope braid. I do have a tutorial for that hairstyle in my YouTube channel. I've also added glitter to the very tips of the skirt. And I've used the longer petals on the top of her skirt to give you a really flowy skirt. You can see how sparkly that little crystal is. I really love how this doll turned out. And then here's another variation with this same kit. This is the light skin with the light brown hair. And you can see I've used the shorter, fluffier petals on the top. They're a little bit more ruffly. And it gives it a completely different look. And then I've just got the glitter around her waist and that tiny little crystal. This would also be a really fun one to add the glitter to the tips of the petals to. All of the steps for making these dolls, including how to apply the glitter, are in my YouTube channel. And then we have, last but not least, this gorgeous red. And look at how cute this skirt is. I love how it flips up. It's just fun and whimsical. I think it's a perfect start to the new year. And you can see that beautiful champagne colored glitter and the little sparkly crystal. And then once again, here is another way I've put this doll together. This is the medium, or the olive skin tone and the dark brown black hair. And you can see all of the really beautiful colors of red in this flower. And I've used some of the shorter petals on the top, so it's even fluffier. And that's it, guys. What do you think? Please let me know in the comments below. And if there's one of these dolls that you would like me to do an in-depth tutorial for, please let me know below in the comments. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, please post those below. I've got tons of fun videos coming out this year that I'm really excited to share with you all. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. It helps me out so much. Share this video with a friend that might love fairy making. Thanks again for all of your kind words and all of your support, and we'll see you next time.